Hi guys, today I'm unboxing a 25-liter Panasonic microwave. It's a good choice for medium-sized family. If you go below 25 liter like 20, so some of the plates won't sealed inside. I like that it won't fit properly inside that. So if you go for 25 and more, like 32 is much good one. Sometimes the 32 won't fit inside the kitchen wall shelves. So I suggest everyone before buying a microwave, just check if you have a wall shelf in the kitchen. So otherwise it may be difficult to fit in some places. Otherwise, if you have enough space somewhere in the kitchen, that's fine. You can just go for 32 as well. So that's perfect for home. Here is our microwave. It's in black color. It's the front door is in matte finish, which just looks pretty good. I personally like black color. We'll see how it fits in the kitchen. It's well fitted in my kitchen wall shelf. As I said earlier, you can check, or you must check before buying a microwave if you have any wall shelf like this. It has a touchpad with a digital screen, so you can choose 10 minutes, 1 minute, 10 seconds, or time clock, auto menu, auto defrost, micro power, up and downs, start and stop buttons, which is very handy and easy to use for everyone for normal home purpose. So I suggest it's a good one for a medium-sized home if you are planning to buy a microwave. Thank you.